Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to convert WEBP image file into JPG and PNG image file in Windows. So without any further more delay, let's begin. So sometimes what happens when you download from any website link some images, then it gets downloaded in the WEBP format. So let me show you. Say I have a one image sample, so let me show its properties. So you can see here it's a .webp image file, right? So when you double left click it, it will show you some browsers to open it. So mainly this WebP is openable mainly with the web browser or the HTML supported any applications like the browsers. So how you can convert this WebP image file into JPG and PNG image file without using any third-party software? So here the first method which I'm going to show is by using an inbuilt application named as Paint. So what you need to do is just right click on this image and just select this open with, and you will see an option Paint, right? Just click on it. Now it will get opened or displayed on the image application, right? But still it's in the WebP format. So to convert it into JPG or PNG, what you need to do is just move to this file option, and you can see your save as, right? Now under the save as, you can select either PNG, JPG, BMP, GIF and other formats also. So if you want to save it as JPG, just select this JPG picture option, or if you want to save it as PNG, then just select this PNG picture option. So let me select this, either one of this, like JPEG, which is similar to JPG. So let me click it and say I will just give a new name, edit. So you can see your save as types. Under this also you can select a tons of options. So right now we'll be saving as JPG and click on save, click on OK. Now let us close this application and let us check if the properties of the edited one or the converted one is, see, you can see here it's converted into JPG. So the original one, let's check back. As you can see here, it's still in the WebP. So this is the first method to convert the WebP image into JPG or PNG files. So let us try the second method. So the second method, just move to this PC, and if you're using a Windows 10, then just click on this view option, and you can see here option name as file name extension, right? Just enable this. So after enabling this, you can see its extensions, right? So just close this file explorer. So just right click on here and just click on rename. Now what you need to do, just change this WebP extensions to JPG or PNG, whatever you want to convert. So in my case I want to convert it to JPG, so I'll just type JPG. Once you type this extension, just hit enter, click on yes. Now this file will be converted into JPG. So let us check these properties. Now you can see this picture file has been converted into JPG format. So let us try to open it. Now you can see it's directly open on the photo viewer or the picture viewer applications. So let us revert it back to web image file just by putting a WebP extension. Just hit enter, click on yes. So let us check its properties. So you can see it's being reverted back to the WebP. So this is how you can convert WebP image file into JPG and PNG image file in Windows very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then definitely you should try it out. And if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.